Are you tired of low-paying jobs? Discover how you can earn up to $120 per hour simply by listening to audios from the comfort of your own home. In this video, I will share with you a proven method to make money online that allows you to be in control of your time and earnings. Say goodbye to financial worries and start earning a lucrative income right now. Before we jump in, subscribe now and never miss our money-making methods. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's begin. Imagine earning up to $120 per hour simply by listening to audios. Enter the AudioBee.com. AudioBee is an audio transcription website that will allow you to earn money by transcribing different audio files and doing other similar tasks. AudioBee provides a diverse range of AI data training roles, including translation, transcription, segmentation, annotation, and voice recording. The selection of one or multiple roles is contingent upon the completion of relevant training courses. AudioBee is accessible to everyone, everywhere. Embrace the freedom of working from any corner of the globe and on your own terms. All you need is a computer and a steadfast internet connection. You can start with a task you are good at. Transcribe speech into text for a wide range of industries. Annotate audio into different segments for machine learning. Record phrases in various languages to train speech tech. Translate source language into multiple other languages. The best part? You can start earning by working freely at home in just a few steps. You can apply by signing up on AudioBee's work platform. Simply click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will get a short test and a quiz to help them evaluate your language skills. Then, you will need to finish training courses to qualify for paid tasks. That's all you need. Now you can start working from home on available projects and get paid every week via PayPal or Payoneer. Join countless individuals already earning a lucrative income by listening to audios in their spare time. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash or someone wanting to boost their income, this opportunity is perfect for you. Don't miss out on this easy money-making opportunity. Start listening and earning now. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.